beautiful friends, and welcome to my next video. This video is Christmas video again, and we are going shopping together. Exactly, Christmas shopping. So today I think I'm gonna take you to dollar store, HomeSense and Winners probably. And I need some small decoration or maybe something for crafting, maybe something for baking. I have most of the things for baking, but I might find something I miss. So we will see. That's today's plan. I'm almost ready, so I'm just gonna take a jacket. Hopefully we will find some good deals and maybe some small goodies for cheap ideally, because I think last week I paid school, so I have almost zero on my bank account. So I need to find only cheap things, so we will see. So finger crossed, and let's go! First snow outside, and I have very good shoes. They are the best. So first stop is HomeSense, so we're gonna take a look, but I'm not sure if we're gonna buy something there because it's pretty expensive. But anyway, I wanna take a look what they have there. They have those cute games, like vintage bookshelf games, and they have everything. They have Monopoly, they have Jenga, they have Trouble, Scrabble, everything. That's so cute. I like those pillows. They are so cute. This gift box is exactly for me. Fluffy. Those cookie jars are so cute. I'm voting for the pink one. Or this. Oh my god. Pink Grange, that's so cool. I need this one. I found this. I really like it. It's like for sleeping, and it's cashmere, and it costs $20. So I found cookie cutters. That's something I really love. What I like are those and those, just for $8. I might buy them. So I found as well a rose gold ones, so now I don't know which one. So currently I'm looking for trays for Christmas cookies. We don't have any, so I would like to choose some, but they have some clearance, so maybe I might buy something on clearance. They have books here, like designer books, and they are so cute. The whole set is 130, I think, and the small ones are 17, which is not bad. That's so cool. Okay, this section is for me because most of the things are pink. I would love to have pink Christmas, but unfortunately I'm the only woman in household, so I think it's not gonna happen. So cute. So now we are moving to Winners, and I bought something at HomeSense. It's so cute, but I will show you at the end of this video, obviously. So wait for it and I'll show you what I bought today. So some cookie jars are here. HomeSense was so far better, so we will see if we see something. They have the same cookie cutters as at HomeSense, some of them at least, like those. So if you are looking for them, you can go either Winners or HomeSense. So far nothing caught my eye. I should look for Christmas things, but I always check clothes section, and I found some nice pieces. I can't buy it, unfortunately. It's clearance, but those are not on clearance. I always choose something what's not on clearance. I am talented for this. So I didn't find anything at Winners, so we are moving right beside to Dollarama. I feel like I buy something here. So we are looking as well for Christmas kitchen towels, so I'm gonna take a look if here is some. So we are done at the Dollarama. I bought something, obviously. It's the best store for cheap shopping, and I'll see you at home. Hello guys and welcome back. I am here and it's the next day. Yesterday after shopping I had to go to work and I promised you to show you what I bought, my finds, you know, so let's get into it. So first we visited HomeSense and there I bought cookie cutters. Those are so cute. I chose pink ones because I love pink. You know that probably already. So this is my first find. And the second thing is here, and it's a tray. So I bought this tray for cookies, for Christmas cookies, and it cost just $16. And both of them were for, I think, $27, so I think that's not bad. Definitely bought most of the things at dollar store. That's always a good idea. It's cheap and you can find there almost everything. So now I'm gonna show you what I bought at Dollarama. At Winners I didn't buy anything. I didn't find anything I need or I like, so it's good for shopping for clothes but not for Christmas for me. So let's get into Dollarama find. So first item I'm really proud of is this apron for cooking. I think it's very cute and I think it's gonna be very good for Christmas cooking and Christmas videos. So this is my first purchase. Second thing are those see-through bags. It's for cookies and I'm planning to bake for work as a like Christmas gift. So I'm planning to bake gingerbreads shaped into like pizza oven and a bottle of wine because I'm working at a restaurant and it seemed to me such a good idea for a gift. I ordered those cutters from JB Cutters. They are printing those cutters on 3D printer and they are so cute. So this is for like wrapping those. And the last things I bought this and those decorations because I'm planning crafting and I'm planning to create my own ugly Christmas sweater, and you'll see that in a different video, but I needed those things. Actually I forgot to buy a bow, which is as well part of this. I saw this on TikTok and I said I need to create it, so I bought those and I'll show you this in other video. Overall I spent at Dollarama $14 and at HomeSense $27, so it's less than $50. I'm satisfied. It was cheap and I have almost everything I wanted. I left behind at HomeSense the cookie jar with Grinch, the pink one, and I'm thinking to come back for it, but I will think about it. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. As always, I would be really happy for a like, comment and especially subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos and other videos. And see you next time.